Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. You would have seen from the report that as long as 1940, during my predecessor's term of office, your honorary officers were having interviews with bankers concerning the working of the international gold market stanza. It would not, I think, be appropriate at a meeting of this sort to attempt to go into the proposals which your special committee is assured that it is being cautiously followed up by the body to which the council has entrusted to look into the matter stanza. Attempts have been and are being made by the nations of the world to deal with unemployment, excessive tariffs, and war debts as though they were separate and disconnected problems. Stop. So long as the root cause which has created these problems remains, the application of local remedies may soothe, but it can never cure. Stop. I am going to suggest to you that these are unconnected problems but are in fact symptoms of the same disease. Stop. The monetary machine having broken down, many disturbing influences have been set up and have deprived a large proportion of the world's population of their means of acquiring goods. Stanza. The essence of the solution of the problems is the increase of purchasing power, thus giving to human being the means of enjoying their own production. Stop. For the last few years, purchasing power has on the contrary been steadily reduced and it is still being decreased. Stop. Every country in the world, with the exception of two, has been forcing prices down until a point has been reached where the producer of goods, especially foodstuffs and raw materials, can no longer buy from the manufacturing countries. Stop. This has resulted in a lessening of production and a dismissal of men, thereby bringing about a reduction of output. Stop. It will readily be appreciated that as production has diminished, cost of production having risen, it is being spread over a smaller area. Stop. Rising costs and lower prices have meant losses instead of profits, involving a reduction of dividends to shareholders. Stop. An important committee stated some months ago that if the world continued on its present financial course, it must end in disaster. Stanza. The world has proceeded on the same course since then, and therefore we have not far to seek for the cause of our troubles. Stop. The first is that these countries find it increasingly difficult and in some instances impossible to secure payment for their exports. Stanza. There can, I think, be no doubt that if our country would gladly give lead, it would find an encouraging response from a majority of the peoples of the world. Full stop. Over.